Download Instagram video. Hey guys, okay, Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this update video, I'm showing you how you can download Instagram videos quickly and easily, guys. Do you like videos like this? Here on the channel, there are already other related videos. Subscribe to the channel, like it. I'm always making videos to help you out. So guys, in this process, I'm not going to use any program to download Instagram videos. Instagram itself is leaving an option here to download the videos. Leandro, how do I download a video? Let me choose a video to download here, guys. So choose that profile. I'm going to click on that video. And you're going to click up here, guys, on those three little dots. And you're going to click on that option, see where, share, and create a link. So here it will give you some options for you to share this video. But what we want, guys, is down here in this option, download. So in this video, guys, if it has third-party music, it's going to download without audio, okay? I'm going to click download here. So if you go into your gallery, the downloaded Instagram video, guys, will be there. Did you like it? Did you understand? Put it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it at that. Big hug, stay with God. Thanks, guys.